I know deep up my feelings for you.
Welcome back to Reality Latest Gist, my good people. Welcome back to your #1 channel and home for reality news for politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for inside we nation, Nigeria. And just like always, me don't come with breaking news. Me don't come with updates. Me don't come with reports we I go like me the general public they aware about. And this update will carry come for you, my good people. Now another banger we don't come board between the Edo State Governor Senator Okpebholo and Ighodalo wey be the governorship candidate of the People's Democratic Party. The koko now be say Team Aswen Media Organization don call out the Edo State Governor wey be Senator Okpebholo over his allegation on TVC News journalist handout when him wey be the Edo State Governor dey claim say Aswen Ighodalo and the People's Democratic Party dey mop up money. They go gather money so that they go use and take bribe the tribunal people. The team of Aswen Ighodalo now don dey yarn say this claim wey the Edo State Governor dey claim, so this talk when they talk is not only false, it's not only lie, but is a dangerous attempt to blackmail the judiciary. And now for one statement wey dey signed by one countryman wey dey go by the name Egabo, and this statement was signed on Wednesday, maybe the 26th day of February for this year 2025. The man now come dey yarn say the group of Aswen Ighodalo they describe the televised comments of Senator Okpebholo alleging efforts to bribe members of the Edo State Election Tribunal as deeply representing a desperate and calculated ploy to intimidate the judiciary plus poison public discourse and undermine confidence in a legal process where him, the Edo State Governor Okpebholo, they suspect say he no go favor am at all. And he can still proceed further the yarn. Say currently there is absolutely no truth to the things where Senator Okpebholo dey yarn. So all those insinuations, all of them are fallacy. Now just something wey in cook up to cause confusion and cause more problem of the tribunal when they point finger they give self more than anybody else. They know very well say those kind of attempts has never been made and they will never be made at all, nor could it ever succeed. They know very well say they never receive any bribe, and even if bribe come, they no go accept them at all. So by making such a claim, Senator Okpebholo will be the current governor of Edo State. They seek to discredit the judgment of the tribunal based on say the thing no go last come favor them. That is to say, based on how things now they play out for the tribunal, based on say them don't they perceive am say everywhere red, get as it be. Last, the case now they go in the favor of the People's Democratic Party and their candidate will be Aswen Ighodalo. That now why they try put Sansan for Gary. That now why they try spoil the name of the tribunal. So that when last the tribunal can't drop their final judgment, they will say, see them, they don't already go collect bribe. Those kind of judgments no be correct one. Now fallacy, now biased judgment and all those kind of levels them. And according to Aswen Ighodalo group, they say this tactic, so all these claims wey Senator Okpebholo, the governor of Edo State, they use na tactic of a sore loser, na tactic of a crying wolf wey they don't realize say they don't they lose. And the reality is very simple. The candidate of the All Progressive Congress will be Senator Okpebholo no true win the mandate of Edo State people. Legally no being win the Edo State election. And it is deeply troubling, say a respondent in an ongoing case go they undermine the integrity of the judicial panel with such baseless accusations them. And all the accused now we then talk for that already people their channel say that brazen and irresponsible attack intended to intimidate the members of the Election Petition Tribunal and erode public trust in their legal institutions. And with the accusations now where Senator Okpebholo don't go drop for the Tory people their channel. And the Edo State Governor will be Senator Okpebholo, in go Tory people their channel, they go drop accuse where you no even get a shred of evidence. You no even get one single evidence to back up the things where in the yarn. You don't come outside now, they yarn things about the judiciary, but before they start the case, I saw they talk, say then trust the judiciary. But before the case serious like this, before last the case now can they go in the favor of the People's Democratic Party and their candidates, and then be the buga say then trust the judiciary, and they believe say last the judiciary go do the right thing. But now the same them we don't summer baseless allegations of bribery on top the judiciary their head. And Senator Okpebholo must be very much aware say as a respondent in an ongoing legal dispute, dis im uninformed comment use allegations now wey im drop on the merits of their case and his predictions about the tribunal, their judgment are deeply sub judice. Him now wey be Senator Monday Okpebholo, current governor of Edo State, im fail to at ten d a single sitting of the tribunal, but he now don still use im two leg waka enter tori pipo their channel go dey discuss matters wey im sef no even understand, nor does he has the acumen to comment on. Edo State deserves better. Nigeria deserves better. The judiciary must not allow itself to be dragged into the mud by those who neither understand nor respect the rule of law because they think say somehow they dey above the rule of law. And this na the perfect example of politicians wey be say when defeat now don reach their face, they go come resort to fabrications, they go come resort to telling lies. But last, the tribunal go do their work based on facts and the law, not on baseless cries of those men who don't refuse to accept reality. So this, my good people, na the statement wey Team Aswen media organization then drop about the levels wey the Edo State governor go talk for tori people their channel. But normally, my good people, based on say all fingers are not equal, I believe say men dey out there wey go frown when they hear this update. I believe say men dey out there wey no go support the things and things wey the media team of Aswen Ighodalo dey yarn so. But on the other hand, men dey out there wey go dey in support. Men dey out there now wey go dey yarn say omo the things and things wey the media team of Aswen Ighodalo talk, all of them are legit. Now, no matter who you dey support, the truth of the matter be say there's what they call freedom of speech and there's what they call defamation. If you dey use your freedom of speech now, they go sama accuse until you go land yourself for palava, until you go commit offense. And normally, no man is above the law. For person now to go national TV, begin dey go sama accuse say another person dey bribe tribunal without evidence wey you get for hand, omo, those kind levels now dey lead to quarrel. And no be lie, my good people. Currently, country people just dey patiently dey wait for the final judgment. Men dey wait make tribunal come talk their talk. Whether na the People's Democratic Party, their candidate to be Aswen Ighodalo, now win the election, abi na the Edo State Governor Senator Monday Okpebholo of the All Progressive Congress now get the mandate. But however, my good people, before that time go reach, anyhow this informate be you for body, or if you get contributions about this very particular topic, feel free make you drop them inside our comment section. You know say now we be reality latest gist. Now they like giving our reality news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for inside this our green country wey be Nigeria. So if you like this update, if you like this information wey I just share give the general public so, and you go like to dey receive more, feel free make you subscribe to this channel and feel free make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring more reality latest they come your way, now you go first receive the updates and you go even receive them sharp. And I beg, try make you share the news to your family and friends, make them too they know wetin dey happen. Me dey come your side again with another reality news for you, my good people. Try make you no go anywhere.